This software supports aluminum extrusion die designers and programmers. 3D contours for bearing milling, engraving, side views, etc. can make very easily. This is for the bearing. As we enter the plate thickness 50 mm, enter the cutter diameter 3 mm, enter the cutter angle 5 degree, enter the bearing transition. If you want to make the transition from 3 to 5 mm bearing, the small diameter shows the 3 mm cutter and the outer diameter shows the cutter path on top of the die plate 50 mm thickness. From here to here, it make a taper line starting the 3 mm bearing to 5 mm bearing. And again it is asking the same bearing. If you want, you can change the bearing to bar 5. Yes, from here and from here. And here 3 mm bearing. Now our bearings are finished. Now we want to make the start point. This is the start point. It's asking the plate thickness, that's 50 mm. Enter the plate bearing where starting, that's the 3 mm. And select the start point. This is our start point. Select the points. Then select the line to start. This is our line to start. So in this point we have to start. Then select the cutting direction on the line. This is the cutting direction. Enter the plate bearing 3 mm. The entire line is 3 mm bearing. Now this is a normal job for the designer. By using this software, it automatically created the 3D path for bearing milling. And here you have the option for the drilling also in the same way. Drill 2.5. The plate thickness is 50 mm. And where you want to make drilling, suppose you want to make one drilling here. Here. How much bearing? Suppose 4 mm bearing. See. So 4 mm bearing, drill 2.5. Next point here 4 mm bearing or 3.5 mm bearing. Yes, 3.5 mm bearing with drill 2.5. But to make 4.5 mm drill, enter the plate thickness 50, bearing 3.5, 3.5 drill 4.5. Orbit. You can see the 3D contour of the profile with different color. for the drill, you have the drill points with the different colors in set depth also and in set 0 also. Here is your cutter path starting from the set 5 and come to this point and go to this line and start making the contour in this direction and coming back to this contour up to this point with 0.2 mm gap, then it is coming up to set 5. Once doing the engraving, type here your engraving. Just click on the point. This from what here one. During writing, this will create the 3D path for the programmer.